Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your video editing skills with Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard video editing software. Download and install Adobe Premiere Pro through the Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the software and create a new project, naming it appropriately. Import your video clips, audio files, and any graphics you plan to use in your project. Organize your media in the project panel for easy access during editing. Drag your video clips onto the timeline to begin assembling your sequence. Experiment with cutting and trimming clips to create a smooth flow for your video. Utilize the razor tool to split clips where necessary. Add transitions between clips to enhance the visual flow. Explore the effects panel to apply visual effects to your clips. Adjust the color grading using Lumetri color tools to improve the visual appeal. Incorporate audio elements by adding background music and sound effects. Use the audio mixer to balance the audio levels for clarity. Include text overlays or titles by selecting the type tool and customizing your text. Animate your text using keyframes to add dynamic movement. Regularly save your project to prevent any loss of work. Export your finished video by selecting the appropriate format for your target platform. Review the export settings to ensure optimal quality for your audience. Once exported, play back your video to check for any final adjustments. With practice, continue to explore advanced features like motion graphics and multi-camera editing. Stay updated on new Adobe features and community tutorials for ongoing skill development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.